Right, okay.
Like,
Hey, that's Suburban Delinquent.
no way.
Yep, that is for
Go
sure
find him.
Suburban Delinquent.
Go get him.
Welcome back, everyone, to some more new video. On this episode, we are looking for Suburban Delinquent. We are not looking for Lucky Bear. But I found Suburban Delinquent because I'm just cruising around. No, I'm on my way to a music festival here in Huntington Beach, and I see this blue Gixxer with flames on it. So we're trying to go catch up to him because that's like a celebrity sighting. Damn, they're flying. Damn, they're flying.
That makes me stay so light.
Yep.
Cruising on 58 in Huntington Beach. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think you caught up to them.
I did. It's definitely SubD. I don't know who else he's with, but it's definitely SubD.
Does he come to SCMM?
He is the host of SCMM.
Oh, okay.
He's the host, creator, sponsor, organizer of SCMM. Well, he doesn't have his mirror down.
Oh, God, you're trying to...
I'll see you in August. For sure, buddy.
He's trying to get you a sticker.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
I'll see you in August. All right, for sure.
Oh, look,